Waking up knowing that you are miles away from home in a beautiful island surrounded with nature, you feel super excited to discover the unknown. Today is my first day in Riti Faru and let's explore the island together.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life.
Riti Faru is a secluded, pristine and private island located in Ra Atoll, northwest of Mali on the tiny island of Falaido. It's a stunning one-of-a-kind tropical island paradise that features multiple restaurants and bars and other recreational activities.
Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now.
Guys, so here behind me is the arrival area where anyone coming to the resort, they dock either here or they dock either there. So yeah, and you can see how beautiful the arrival area is. I mean, like, you know, it's surrounded by the sea and yeah, it's a beautiful place. Take a tour.
Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
All these restaurants were not only great in terms of food, but also its theme and ambience. Each had its own unique feel to it, thus adding up to your experience here in the resort.
This behind me, what you see is the back part of the Riti Grill. It's directly facing the water villa right there.
Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two.
While I had some time in hand, I decided to explore the island on my own and click a few pictures.
Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car.
So guys, this is the scene just right behind my room. The moment I open the balcony, this is what I get to see. So you can imagine how beautiful it is to wake up to such a view. Yes, so I just now got some crazy pictures clicked. I'm all sand, if you can see. I'm all sand and yeah, having an amazing time here. In the afternoon, I have got some pretty interesting activities planned for you. Hopefully it doesn't rain, because once the weather is bad, I mean, doing anything becomes almost impossible. So, but right now the weather seems perfectly fine. It's a beautiful weather. You can see how beautiful the scene is behind me.
Islands in Maldives are home to more than 1,000 coral reefs. It's a vibrant ecosystem that provides home for marine life. It offers striking underwater exhibitions of colorful fish and fauna to anyone interested.
Leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.
Hey guys, what's up? So I just got my introductory diving session done. It was a good learning experience for the first time diver. Tomorrow we have an excursion, I mean, to Turtle Reef, and I've heard that's a very interesting one, but since it's for a little bit experienced people, so I thought that, you know, it would be a good idea of getting the introductory session done before you go for a little bit more advanced session. So yeah, I mean, now I'm heading for I'll go get changed and probably head for lunch.
Your hair. We can look back someday. Baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
So So guys, right now we are headed towards a restaurant called as Sunset Bar, and probably what I'll do is I'll just go and get myself some drink and just enjoy the sunset.
Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty.